Hello, welcome to Soup, Salads and some more. Today I am sharing one more salad which is boiled peanut salad. Let's see what all the ingredients we need for it. Here are the boiled peanuts. 1 cup I have kept it. You don't have to pre-soak it. You can just pressure cook it for 2 whistles, or if it is not whistling cooker, you can in high let it be for 2-3 minutes and then simmer it for another 5 minutes. Your peanuts will be ready. With that, I'm going to add tomato. We'll chop the tomato, but we will remove inside seed and only use the flesh. Quite firm tomato you need it. Then next one is carrot. Carrot it's already washed and kept. I'm going to peel it and grate it. You can use the bigger or the smaller as you prefer. Next one is a coconut, which is taken as a thin strip, which will be cut into very small bit. Same way we will cut the raw mango, just like coconut. And then we need coriander leaves, which is washed, and I am going to just chop it. Then 1 small onion, which will be chopped finely, a small piece of ginger and 1 green chili, all are chopped very finely. Along with it, we are going to add few spices like salt, pepper, chaat masala, lemon juice, etc. So all the vegetables are cut. Now the peanut is already ready. I have cut the tomatoes small, grated the carrots. The coconut is cut into a small bit. Same mango as well, the raw mango. And then the coriander is chopped. Then we have onion, which is chopped finely. 1 small onion, green chili is also chopped, and 1 small piece of ginger. All are going together with the spices. So first I am going to add our boiled peanut. Then goes tomatoes. It's going to be very nice colorful salad and very healthy as well, because peanut is really good, and especially when it is boiled. Second one is carrot, nicely grated. Here goes coconut. Now raw mango. It's very nicely small bite at a very thin strip it is. It will give you the tangy taste. Now adding our coriander. Here goes my onion, green chili and ginger. Let me give a stir all together. Here goes my salt. Little of chaat masala. And this salad will not have a spoon of oil at all. I'm adding mint powder, which will give you a minty smell, but no leaf or anything will come in your mouth. Lastly, we are going to add lemon juice. I'm adding 3 teaspoons. There you are. The salad is already ready. All we have to serve it in a cup or in a bowl, and you can have this with your tea in the evening or any time with your lunch or dinner. So this is my colorful boiled peanut salad. So here is my today's boiled peanut salad is ready for you to eat. Please try it at home and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Till I come back, TTFN.